Hello there, a very warm welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before, and welcome back if you're returning. First of all, excuse my voice being a little bit husky, just got a little bit of a cold going on. But I thought I'd just jump on and go through some bag making supplies that I've received today. I'll do a little unboxing. I've recently got into bag making. I've been sewing now probably for about 4 or 5 years. But recently I've been more bag making than anything else. And one huge issue that we have here in the UK is trouble finding good bag making hardware. So I thought I'd unbox a couple of bits from some really good suppliers that I've found and share them with you if you're looking for bag making suppliers as well. So the first one I'm going to do, and I'll link everybody, I'll link the names in the description below. So my first one, and I've undone it a little bit because Anne really does like to taper things up well, but this is from Bag Bits and Glitzy Bits on Facebook. Some nice little tissue here. I can't actually remember what I ordered, but I obviously needed everything that's in here. Okay, so we've got all these cute little neatly tissued parcels. Right, so first thing I have is some black continuous zipper tape with gold teeth. Very nice quality. And then I have some cute pink striped with rainbow teeth here. Very cute. Looking forward to using that on something. And I've got, what's in this one? Okay, got some swivel clasps. I went for bright gold in everything because I think that's a really nice little match there. And how many of those did I get? And you can't always tell what the quality is going to be like, which is why I thought I'd share these up close for you. And they really do make a big difference to your finished result. You spent all that time making a bag, you want to have some really nice hardware on there. So that's those. And I've got some little donut zipper pulls, again in the bright gold. Okay. Oh yes. I've got these clasps. I think this is probably, I was going to make the from Lynn's Handmade. I can't remember the name of the bag, but it's one of her rucksacks, backpacks. Very nice, very chunky. Love that. And it's like Christmas, right? And we have some key rings to match that. They're all the bright gold as well. Okay, how many of those did I get? I've found that when I've found decent suppliers, to try and just stock up on a few more bits at a time. So then if I find a pattern that I like, that I've got the hardware to make it, without having to wait for that to arrive. So that's everything there. To bring it back in again. I'm just loving the bright gold. I'm really pleased with the weight of everything. This one was just on a whim because I like the look of it. This one was a bit more of a purposeful purchase to go with the rest of that gold hardware. So my total for everything, just so you can see the I'll just take her address away. The pricing. 25mm D-rings, pack of 6, 330. Swivel snap hooks, 630. The 38mm swivel snap hooks, 3. 170 for the zipper pulls. Zipper tape was £3 for 2 meters, and the striped zipper tape was £2.20 for 1 meter. It was £19.50 plus P&P. So I think that's pretty good, just so you've got an idea of the pricing. Okay, so the next one I have is actually from, I'll just cover my address, Sarah from Studio 77, and she does a subscription box which is not this. I have signed up for my first one of those, so I will share that when the time comes. This, she was making up some surprise boxes. She sold out really, really quickly, first of all, and I was like, no, I missed out. But then she made up some more, and I managed to snag this one. So I have no idea what's in here. I haven't had the first subscription box either, so I don't know. I have a rough idea. I've done a really bad job of opening that up, so I'm going to have to not do too much undoing, but there we go. Let's have a look, see what we've got. It's cute tissue. Thank you. Thank you for your order, Studio 77. Wow. This looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it? So first and foremost, we have some tea. Very nice. I could do with that with my throat for now. Bird and blend rhubarb and custard tea. Very nice. That's a very English combination, that rhubarb and custard. Excited to have that with my sewing. Okay. So we have these cute zipper pulls. Just detach it from here and see what. Oops. So I believe these go in the bag makers boxes, the subscription. So this was obviously from July. So she's just put some random bits together. And she features designers in this leaflet, and also some discount codes, I believe. So it's really nice to have other designers featured. It's, makes it a good community. And so it says this month's box, so this was obviously from July, but there's a mix of things. This month's box has a classic handbag look. And it explains what kind of vibe the box is going for. So that's the leaflet that you get. So obviously if you subscribe, then you would get everything from that month that goes together. Some beautiful zipper tape. Now I was actually eyeing this up, believe it or not, because thinking, oh, I wish I'd had the July box, because I love that zipper tape. And look, it's in my hands. How beautiful is that? I've never seen anything like that, because Sarah will actually source things from everywhere, doing the job for us, because obviously we'd have to pay all sorts of import duties and stuff if we were individually buying things, and higher prices if we were getting them from the States and everything. So this is a great way of getting your hands on things. I'm very happy with that. Looks like we have some vinyl, clear vinyl, beautiful. And she's just come out with a beach bag, actually. If you check out her website, that's perfect for that. Let me take this off so I can unravel a little bit and show you properly. Oh, cute. Pineapples. Love that. We've got pineapples, we've got the leaves. Nice. Love it. And there's a nice chunky amount of that as well. Beautiful. Okay, put that to one side. We get some stickers. So good. And so ready for the day. Cute. Love them. And we have some labels. Hello Summer. It doesn't feel much like summer right now here in the UK. It's a very rainy at the moment. Hello Summer, but cute. Look, goes with the pineapples. Love that, and I love pink. Pink is good. So you get a nice, you get 5 premium labels in there. Add a little extra to your mix with these fun sewing labels. Super cute. And finally, I am so excited this is in the box. I nearly ordered this because, and she does have this for sale on her website because I was looking at it yesterday. You basically have, oh yeah, she's got a few of her little notes in here. You basically can put in here your pattern that you want to make. She demonstrates on Sewing Street, by the way. I feel like I've got a celebrity signed notebook here. Whether you're going to keep it, sell it, or gift it, and if so, who to. And then we have, yes, we have the product names, the supplies that you need. You can make a little sketch. Any hacks or changes, because if you do a certain pattern, sometimes there are hacks in there. So that's those, and I think there's other bits in here as well. So those are all your patterns, I believe. Yeah. So we have, oh, this is handy as well. Your pattern designer and their webs and socials. So you can check that out. Then we have fabric stash, how much you have of it, where you got it, how much is left, when you bought it, so if you want to repurchase. And then that's, yeah, so quite a few pages of those. And then Instagram accounts. Oh, here's all the other Facebook pages, so you've got the individual Facebook pages on there as well. So if you've got one that you can never remember what they are, you can look them up and share them with other people if you need to. YouTube channels and what they do, person behind the account, and then we have just some notes here as well, like a bullet journal type pages in there. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy fabric, and that's pretty close. So that is a well worth having journal to keep everything together, keep everything in one place, so you can do your remembering. And like for me, when I'm planning a project and you need different size D-rings and lobster class and what size zipper tape you need and what poles you need, I find it super useful to actually know what I'm going to use and what I'm going to need, and just put those in, what I have and what I need. And your little sketch of what it looks like as well. So that was a very nice surprise. And I've actually signed up to get the September box. I'm even more excited to get that now. There's one musical falls along the way. And my Instagram address is in the description, so I will most likely share anything that I make with these beautiful supplies on there. I'm not confident enough to do YouTube videos on my bag making or any sewing because other people are so much better. But I thought I would do this little share and roundup of some beautiful hardware and where to get it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you all really soon, hopefully with a slightly less croaky voice. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.